Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Aren't these beautiful? They are some of my favorite earrings. I kept seeing them pop up on my feed and I knew I had to have them. They are by TGDSV and they are these beautiful dangle lily of the valley earrings. I love the little pearls and the little resin lily of the valley and leaves. Inside of each little flower is also a green little bead. So cute. The green adds a little extra sparkle with some color, but they are just so elegant and dainty. They're made with 925 sterling silver, so they haven't bothered my ears at all. I just love putting them on. They instantly make me feel very feminine and elegant. These would make such a great gift for any woman in your life, especially those that love flowers as much as I do. They even come in this adorable little box that will make it really nice for a gift. Anything with flowers just instantly brings a smile to my face, and that is exactly what these earrings do for me and will do for you. But that's just my point of view.